Hello, this is Insight in 5, a weekly podcast series from Unity Church of Chatsworth, California. I am Reverend John Washington, Senior Minister, and Michelle Washington, RN, is our pastoral nurse. Enjoy today's
We will be
lesson.
focusing on a writing by the Reverend Dr. Sue Sikking. She was the founder and minister of Unity by the Sea Church in Santa Monica, California. Each of us has a great storehouse of treasures, some of which are just beyond human awareness. We also have the power to bring these treasures into visibility. This power has always been within every person. It came with us from the beginning, and no outer condition or situation can take it from us. We cannot do anything to rob ourselves of this immeasurable gift. However, we do have the choice to use our God-given powers to the fullest or to let them lie dormant. Among these treasures is one so profound, so important, that we might say it is our greatest gift. It is the ability to look through the visible that is around us to the invisible that is unseen. Without this power, there would be no progression. We use this faculty all the time to some degree, but we need to use it consciously with love for the great purpose for which it was created and for which we were created. It is the pattern of our growth and unfoldment. In this day in which we live, a day assigned to us by divine appointment, let us search out our next long step toward making our contribution. Again and again, in the history of the human soul, the ability to look through appearances has carried the race of mankind forward to a new unfoldment and advancement. This ability is one of the greatest forces in human life. We often call this practice dreaming, yet in our scriptures it is called vision, and we are told that without it the people perish. The word dreamer is not always a compliment in the world today. Many of us are so convinced of the power of the outer that we think a dreamer is a fool, a misguided thinker. We must remember that our world has always been the outpicturing of the consciousness of man. The mind is the womb of the world, and from this same consciousness, we derive the capability to look through appearances to help create and give birth to a new world. We look with our eyes and see the sea and sky and a world of material things, but look has another meaning: to expect. All things great and small have come forth to the outer from this kind of inner seeing. We have come to expect depression, recession, punishment, lack, even dire want. We cannot look two ways at once without confusion and failure. That is why we are warned by the wise of old against double-mindedness,
Thank you for listening to our podcast. Our weekly series again is entitled Insight in 5. Have a beautiful day and a beautiful week. Blessings.